XLT 4-wheel drive. Third row seating. 2009 Ford Explorer XLT 4-wheel drive, maroon W neutral cloth seating, 4.0 L56 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, clean Carfax. No accidents. Let's go over all the options on this loaded up Explorer: power windows, power locks, all important third row seating, all serviced up with a professional detail and ready to go. Come on in today and take this loaded up Explorer for a whirl around our Chevrolet of Naperville test track. See ya soon. One low price, plain and simple. Always.